Welcome back. This course comes with a bunch of coding practices and challenge exercises. In this video, I'll explain you the following things. So, let me explain. Practice exercises and coding challenges are included as a text lecture in your course. When you reach to a practice exercise or a coding challenge, you will see a lecture screen similar to this. Each exercise lecture comes with a link to exercise files such as this. Similarly, you will also see a link to the solution file. Right-click the link and select Save As to download the exercise file. You can download the solution file also in the same way. Both the files are nothing but a Python notebook. Once you have downloaded, save your files at a safe location on your computer. Now, you can start the Jupyter Notebook environment. So, once you have your Jupyter environment running, you will see an upload link here on the top right corner. Click the upload button. Browse for your exercise file. And finally, confirm the upload. That's all. Your exercise file should show up in your current directory. Click the notebook and it starts running. You will see your problem statement and expected output. You will also see an empty code cell below the problem statement. That's all. Now you are ready to start practicing. Let me do one of these. You haven't started learning Python yet, so this exercise may not make enough sense to you. But nothing to worry about. I'm just trying to show you the method for taking up the exercises. So this first problem wants me to take this tuple and reverse it. So let me copy this line of code. This line defines the tuple 1 for me. Now I want to reverse it. So start with the tuple 1. Use the slicing syntax. Start from the beginning, go up to the end and take a step of -1. That's all. Press Ctrl Enter to run this cell. Here is the output. And it matches with the expected output, right? I'm done with the first exercise. You can move on to the next exercise and try that. If you are stuck and want to look at the solution file, nothing to worry about. Your solution file is also a notebook. So you can upload the solution file in the same way as you uploaded your exercise file. Let me show you. Go back to the Jupyter homepage and click the upload. Confirm it and done. Click the solution file and it opens. Here it is. You have the problem statement, expected output, coding solution, result, and in some cases, you will also see a short explanation. Make sense? Great. To take full advantage of the course, you must attempt all the practice exercises and coding challenges. See you again in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.